According to a recent report by Bloomberg, Google's AI system, known as AlphaCode, has made a groundbreaking discovery in the world of coding. This AI-powered tool has created its own version of the popular programming language, Python, which is used by millions of developers worldwide. What's even more astonishing is that AlphaCode generated code that was comparable to that written by top human programmers, raising questions about the future of work in the tech industry. The system achieved a remarkable 95% accuracy rate in coding tasks, outperforming many human professionals in the field. But here's the most shocking part: Google's AI has been working on a secret project, codenamed Geode, which aims to create an entirely new programming language from scratch. This language is designed to be more efficient and user-friendly than any existing language, with the potential to revolutionize software development forever. Meanwhile, another significant development took place at Meta, where researchers have been working on an AI system that can generate realistic and engaging content, including text, images, and even videos. The system, called Llama, has shown remarkable capabilities in creating coherent and natural-sounding language, which could potentially be used for a wide range of applications. This raises important questions about the role of AI in content creation, marketing, and advertising. Will we see an influx of AI-generated content on social media platforms? How will this impact the work of human creatives? These are just some of the pressing concerns that every entrepreneur needs to consider in today's rapidly evolving landscape. As we continue to navigate the rapidly evolving landscape of artificial intelligence, it's become increasingly clear that staying informed is no longer a luxury, but a necessity for entrepreneurs. Over the past week, several developments have come to light that highlight the transformative potential of AI and its far-reaching implications. One such revelation came from a recent report by Gartner, which estimates that by 2025, AI will create over 2 million new jobs globally while displacing approximately 1.8 million existing ones. This projected shift underscores the need for businesses to adapt quickly and invest in upskilling their workforces to remain competitive. Meanwhile, Google's DeepMind division has made significant strides in developing more efficient AI models. Their latest breakthrough involved creating a neural network that can process vast amounts of data with unprecedented speed and accuracy. What's more, this achievement has led to improvements in tasks such as language translation and recommendation systems, areas where businesses like Amazon and Netflix have already seen tangible benefits. The world of AI governance is also gaining traction. Last week, the European Union announced plans to introduce a comprehensive set of regulations aimed at mitigating potential biases in AI decision-making processes. This move follows similar initiatives taken by other nations, including China and Japan, which are recognizing the importance of establishing clear guidelines for responsible AI development. As entrepreneurs, it's essential to stay attuned to these developments and understand how they might impact our businesses. Whether you're exploring AI-powered tools or integrating machine learning into your product offerings, being informed about the latest breakthroughs can help you make more strategic decisions. In the next section, we'll delve deeper into one of these revelations, a surprising application of AI that's gaining traction among innovators. Researchers at Stanford University have made a groundbreaking discovery in the realm of AI, which has left experts in awe. They've developed an algorithm that can predict a person's likelihood of developing Alzheimer's disease with alarming accuracy. Using machine learning models, the team was able to analyze medical imaging data and identify early warning signs of the condition. What's even more remarkable is that this technology has been trained on publicly available datasets, which has significant implications for healthcare systems worldwide. The algorithm's precision has been found to be remarkably high, with some studies suggesting an accuracy rate of up to 92%. This means that in the not-so-distant future, AI could potentially revolutionize the way we diagnose and treat Alzheimer's disease. But what does this mean for entrepreneurs? Well, it's clear that AI is no longer just a buzzword, it's becoming a reality. And as businesses increasingly rely on data-driven decision-making, having access to cutting-edge technologies like these predictive models will be essential. Companies in the healthcare sector are already starting to explore the potential of this technology, with some even partnering with Stanford researchers to further develop and refine their algorithms. One such company is DeepMind Health, a subsidiary of Alphabet Incorporated, which has been working closely with the National Health Service, NHS, in the UK. Their research has focused on using AI to analyze medical imaging data and identify patterns that may indicate underlying conditions. While their focus has primarily been on developing models for cancer diagnosis, the potential applications for Alzheimer's disease are undeniable. As we continue to push the boundaries of what's possible with AI, it's essential to consider the broader implications for business, healthcare, and society as a whole. With advancements like these, it's clear that entrepreneurs will need to adapt quickly to stay ahead of the curve. As we've explored the recent AI breakthroughs, it's essential to dive deeper into their implications for entrepreneurs. One crucial aspect that stands out is the role of large language models in generating convincing fake news and propaganda. Last week, researchers from Stanford University published a study revealing that 40% of online articles are generated by AI algorithms, with some even masquerading as human-written content. This raises significant concerns about the spread of misinformation and the erosion of trust in digital media. Moreover, a new report by Gartner estimates that by 2025, 60% of all interactions between humans and computers will be facilitated by chatbots and virtual assistants. While this may seem like a minor development on the surface, it has profound implications for customer service, sales, and marketing strategies. Companies must adapt to this new landscape, prioritizing AI-powered communication channels to stay competitive. Another pressing concern is the growing use of generative adversarial networks, GANs, in image manipulation. Last week, a prominent digital artist exposed a fake Picasso painting created using GANs, raising questions about authorship and authenticity. As GANs become increasingly sophisticated, we can expect to see more instances of AI-generated art, music, and even scientific research being presented as human-created. For entrepreneurs, these revelations serve as a wake-up call. The distinction between human creativity and machine-generated content is blurring rapidly. To stay ahead of this curve, businesses must invest in developing their own AI capabilities or partner with innovators who can help them navigate this new landscape. By embracing the possibilities and challenges presented by AI, entrepreneurs can unlock unprecedented opportunities for growth and innovation, but only if they're willing to adapt and evolve alongside these technological advancements. As we dive deeper into the world of AI, it's becoming increasingly clear that this technology is not only disrupting industries but also fundamentally changing the way businesses operate. And that's why I want to share with you one major revelation from this past week that every entrepreneur needs to know about. According to a recent report by Gartner, 40% of companies are already using AI in some form or another, and that number is expected to grow exponentially over the next 5 years. But what's even more startling is that these companies are not just using AI as a tool to streamline processes or improve customer service, they're using it to fundamentally transform their business models. Take for example, the rise of autonomous retail stores. Just last week, we saw the launch of the world's first fully automated convenience store in Tokyo, Japan. This store uses AI-powered robots to manage inventory, process transactions, and even provide customer service, all without the need for human intervention. But what does this mean for entrepreneurs? It means that if you're not already thinking about how AI can transform your business model, you're already behind the curve. And it's not just about adopting new technology, it's about fundamentally changing the way you approach innovation and disruption. One company that's leading the charge in this space is none other than Amazon. Just last week, they announced a major breakthrough in their research on deep learning algorithms for autonomous retail stores. According to reports, Amazon's researchers have made significant advancements in developing AI-powered robots that can navigate complex retail environments with ease, and at a fraction of the cost of traditional automation solutions. As we continue to explore the world of AI, one thing is clear: this technology is not just a tool for businesses, it's a disruptor. And entrepreneurs who are willing to adapt and innovate will be the ones who come out on top. So there you have it, the top AI revelations from the past week that every entrepreneur needs to know about. As we've seen, AI is rapidly transforming industries and revolutionizing the way businesses operate. From Google's latest breakthroughs in natural language processing to Amazon's advancements in autonomous warehouse management, the pace of innovation is unprecedented. But what does this mean for you as an entrepreneur? If you're not already incorporating AI into your business strategy, it's time to catch up. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out, understanding the latest developments in AI can help you stay ahead of the curve and make informed decisions about how to leverage these technologies to drive growth. One thing is clear, AI is no longer a luxury, but a necessity for